Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change or how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list. For example, through the dialer, it does not really matter, just find the contact list. Then let's tap on the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon, and let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo signed. So all we have to do is to tap on the circle or just tap on add picture, and here we've got two different sections. So the device photos, where you can choose between the gallery and the camera. After tapping on the camera, your device will of course open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. Or you can choose something from the gallery and the Google Photos, where you've got backed up pictures. Alright, so let me choose something from the gallery, for example the screenshot. And right now all we have to do is to change the position of the photo. We can also zoom it in or out, and thanks to it we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to. Let me maybe make it smaller, a little bit at least. Okay, something like that, and then tap on choose. As you can see, the photo will be immediately applied, and if you're happy with your choice, simply tap on save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, this is how our contact will look like. You will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.